Welcome to Learn Cebuano Fast. I hope you enjoy our podcast. Please like and subscribe. Let's get on with the show.
Big,
Dako, dako, dako,
small,
gamay, gamay, gamay,
hot,
init, init, init,
cold,
bagno, bagno, bagno,
good,
maayo, maayo, maayo,
bad,
bati, bati, bati,
tall, long,
taas, taas, taas,
short,
mabo, mabo, mabo,
rich,
dato, dato, dato,
poor,
pobre, pobre, pobre,
fast,
papa, papa, papa,
slow,
hinay, hinay, hinay,
heavy,
bagat, bagat, bagat,
light,
gun, gun, gun,
clean,
limpyo, limpyo, limpyo,
dirty,
hugaw, hugaw, hugaw,
new,
bago, bago, bago,
old,
karaan, karaan, karaan,
happy,
Malipayon, Malipayon, Malipayon,
sad,
masulubon, masulubon, masulubon,
easy,
sayin, sayin, sayin,
hard, difficult,
lisod, lisod, lisod,
beautiful, handsome,
guwapo, guwapo, guwapo,
ugly,
bati og noong, bati og noong, Bati og noong.
Wide.
Lapad. Lapad. Lapad.
Narrow.
Pig-o. Pig-o. Pig-o.
Sweet.
Tamis. Tamis. Tamis.
Sour.
Aslim. Aslim. Aslim.
Expensive.
Mahal. Mahal. Mahal.
Cheap.
Barato. Barato. Barato.
Bright.
Hayag. Hayag. Hayag.
Dark.
Ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit.
Full.
Puno. Puno. Puno.
Empty.
Hoang. Hoang. Hoang.
Wet.
Hamad. Hamad. Hamad.
Dry.
Uga. Uga. Uga.
Strong.
Kasgan. Kasgan. Kasgan.
Weak.
Maluya. Maluya. Maluya.
Hard texture.
Gahi. Gahi. Gahi.
Soft.
Humok. Humok. Humok.
I want to share a few quick ways you can accelerate your learning and support the show. First, head over to www.linguafile.com. That's linguafyle.com to check out our amazing dual reader articles and language learning apps. You can also support the podcast by getting our official companion book to study alongside the episodes. And finally, if you just want to drop a quick tip, please consider donating through the Buy Me a Coffee link in the show notes below. Every little bit helps. All right, are you ready? Let's jump into today's episode.